Unboxing videos aren't really my thing, but I thought I'd do this on the Dewalt. A really nice setup here. And what I like about it is it includes a fitting. It's not sold separately. Nice, thick, strong wrenches. It's a really nice, compact setup here. Let's test it. Let's see what it sounds like. Pretty nice. And for this to mean anything to anyone, we need to compare it to something else. So I have a Harbor Freight. This thing's 20 years old. See how that sounds. This sounds nicer, feels more solid, feels like it's more efficient with the air.